What's going on, guys? PD Shops here, Outdoor Crew FL. Today we're going to be installing this roof rack on our 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. Let's give it a go. All right, guys, so here we go through the parts list. So what's really cool is that on the back of each part, it's labeled, so it tells you exactly where to go. So this is going to be the front, this is going to be the rear, and it tells you the direction which way it goes. Same thing on the actual brackets. So it tells you left, right, which side is going to go on as well. Guys, make sure before you start anything, you check for fitment to make sure that this is for your vehicle. They do make multiple roof racks for different vehicles, different years of vehicles, so check them out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our brackets and we're going to attach them to the actual roof racks themselves. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the screws out of here. These screws are going to attach to the brackets. So you do have some wiggle room so you can adjust the length on it. Also to note, you have a pointy end and you have more of a rounded square end. The rounded square end is going to go facing towards the front of your vehicle. So you want the round squarish end to face the hood of your car. Okay, so the pointy part is going to go in the rear. The square round is going to go towards the front. So the right is going to go on the brackets. You have labels. It'll say R for right, L for left, and they match up accordingly. Okay, so now that we have our bracket screws off, we're going to go ahead and line these up as it would go on the actual vehicle themselves. So the right will go into the right side, left will go into the left side, like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the screws that we just took out of the bracket, replace them. Again, these are adjustable, so I don't want to tighten these down completely right now. I like to just get them, as you call it, hand tight. So I still have some wiggle room when I'm up there and I can adjust to the proper length. All right, guys, well, with that last step of adding the sponge pad, we are ready to install these onto our vehicle. You have your bolt, comes with an Allen wrench. I'm going to be using my own Allen wrench, my own tool to install these. I just found it to be easier. So you're going to take your screw, washer, and your gasket. You're going to insert. Make sure that gasket fits flush inside that bracket mount. Make sure that gasket fits nice and flush. I'm going to go ahead and tighten down this side. Again, this is still loose, so we can adjust as needed. Come around, let's do the other side. All right, guys, same thing on this side. We're gonna take our screw, washer, and gasket. Insert, screw, washer, gasket. Tighten down. And don't forget, we have to tighten our adjusting brackets. So make sure you do that. Once you tighten on that side, make sure you go around the other side and tighten that as well. The rear is done. Now onto the front. All right, guys, so same thing on the front. Make sure you have everything lined up. What's really nice about this roof rack is that it has a very low profile with a streamlined design, which reduces the wind noise, vibration, and resistance. Same thing on the other side. While I'm here, I'm going to tighten this down because I know it's going to fit on that side. That's my adjusting side. I'm over here, I'm also going to tighten down the adjustments on the bracket. So I know this is a good length on this side. Gotta tighten that down. Gonna remove the sticker while I'm over here. Move on to the last section. All right, guys, this is the last section. 2 of our washers, 2 of our gaskets, and 2 bolts. Don't be afraid, it does come with extra parts. It's one of the things I like about the company. Line it up. Before I tighten down all the way, I'm going to insert my other screw to make it easier to turn. Make sure your gasket is inserted all the way. Before you tighten down, you want to make sure your roof rack crossbars are secure. Don't forget to tighten up your adjustable bracket area. Take off the sticker. There you have it. Install is complete. That thing is going nowhere. Very nice. That completes the install, guys, in this 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. Nice low profile, heavy duty, lightweight aluminum roof rack, capable of holding up to 300 pounds max capacity load.